Your English teacher. Today we will continue the topic narration. Yesterday we studied the rules of this topic, and today we will continue from the certain sentences. When reported speech belongs to a certain sentence, you have to make some changes. Like in the reporting verb, if the verb say is available, say will remain say. And if say to is there, it will be converted into tell. So says will be says, said will be said. In the same way, says to will be tells, said to will be told, and say to tell. And conjunction we will use that. In assertive sentences, we will use conjunction that. With the examples, you will understand. He says to me, I am going. He says to me, I am going. So, says to will be converted into tells. He tells me, conjunction that, and I is the first person, so it will be changed according to subject of the reporting. Subject is he, so he will be there. He, and the tense will not be changed because tense is changed only when reporting verb belongs to past tense, and here the tense is present, so tense will not be changed. So here is am, and here will be is, because according to he. So he is going. Answer will be he tells me that he is going. Next example, I said to him, you have not done my work. So answer will be said to will be told. I told him, mention that. You is second person according to object of the reporting. Object is him, so according to him subject will be he, and have will be converted to have because here is past tense, so have will be changed into had. He had not done, and my according to subject I, and I and my of the same person, so my will not be changed, my work. Answer will be I told him that he had not done my work. As per the rules of narration, we change the tense of reported speech when reporting verb belongs to past tense. But some conditions are there when we don't change the tense of reported speech in spite of being the tense of reporting verb past. Some examples are there. Like, point number 1, when reported speech belongs to habitual action. Like he said, dogs bark at strangers. So this is habitual action. So this the tense of reported speech will not be changed. He said that dogs bark at strangers. Okay. Next point is historical fact. If historical fact is given, we don't change the tense of reported speech. She said Shah Jahan built the Taj. She said that Shah Jahan built the Taj. Next point is proverb. When any proverb is there in reported speech, we don't change the tense of reported speech. Like he said, honesty is the best policy. This is a proverb, so we don't change the tense of this reported speech. We said that honesty is the best policy. It will be the same. And last one is universal truth. It's like he said the sun rises in the east. So answer will be that he said that the sun rises in the east. This way we have completed assertive sentences in topic narration, and in next video we will continue this topic. Thank you.